How to create a standard reservation. There are two ways to create a reservation. You can click on the favorites icon on the left side of the screen, or you can click on a blank space on the room plan. This leads us to step 1. So here you enter the arrival and departure date. You can also put in the number of nights, then select the room type. Here we have one family room, and after this you can choose the meal plan type. The meal plan type filters your choices to show you the available choices. So we choose the meal plan type and the code for the meal. Here we're choosing BAR, which is best available rate. We can also choose the currency, which acts as a filter as well. If we change it to euros, for instance, it will show you the rate codes available for that currency. Here we're going to use Great British Pounds. So we look at that, see which rate codes are available, and select here BAR, best available rate. This brings you to the second step. So we're going to check the dates are correct, and it's important to choose the reservation owner. You can choose the individual icon or the company icon. Here we're going to choose the individual icon. So now we're going to see if the name's already in the database. So we start by typing the name and click on the magnifying glass icon to see if the name's in the database. If the guest name is there and we select it, it fills in the information in the parameter of reservation area. Most of this information comes from the rate codes, and you can add or change it as necessary. The last thing you need to do is fill in the number of adults for each room. So we go to the room section, fill in the number, and then finish the reservation by clicking the green button at the bottom that says Create Reservation. And that's it.